Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today is another balloon. I know you must be getting bored. Same colors, different pouring medium today. Today I used Clark&Kensington and JoSonja as my pouring medium. And my paints are all lined up here. Okay, let's do it the right way. Push this up over. Okay. All right. So, Atelier, free flow. Cobalt turquoise, light. Whoop. Iridescent silver. From Liquitex, iridescent, right? Iridescent rich silver. Then some this little piggy sea glass. Put some of that beautiful cinnamon from this little piggy. And these were all mixed with Clark&Kensington and JoSonja. And this is this little piggy ballet slipper. Beautiful, beautiful. And of course, here's the cell activator, Payne's Gray, Shelee art. Take the class, get your discount below for 15%. And I'm going to blow on this. And I'm going to pick this up and do it because okay, so I think we got something finally that looks like a bloom. And we got some beautiful colors underneath too. Got some nice cells. Everything came back pretty. And this one, I am definitely going to spin. And let's hope for the best here. that copper and that ballet slipper together. Looks beautiful. I'll give it another spin. Good one. So I think this was worth the wait. Look at that shine. You can see that in there. Beautiful, beautiful shine. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna put this up here. So that was, okay, that was trial and error today, but we had a great final result. Clark&Kensington worked out pretty well. Gave me some beautiful cells in here and lacing. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Tomorrow I'm going to mix all three together. Not mix them, but I'm going to use them all in one composition, and we'll see what happens. One big last hurrah for the week for my Friday. So you all have a great day. Be safe out there. Oh, by the way, yesterday my husband and I were lucky enough to get our first vaccine. We got Moderna first vaccination in San Fernando in California. So we're halfway there. Yeah, I'm excited. I hope you all get to experience that also. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye now. Donna from Hollywood signing off. Don't forget to subscribe.